Hello, it's Lindsey Yoder.
And Robert with Kids Building Wisconsin.
Kids Building Wisconsin is coming up May 16th, 2020 at McKee Farms Park in Fitchburg, and registration is now open. Visit kidsbuildingwi.org.
We have some new sponsors to update you on. First, we'd like to welcome back 1901 Inc. And not only will they have their toilet and nurse shooting this year, but you will also be able to make sheet metal toolboxes at their exhibit.
Now, a sponsor near and dear to me is the Blue Book Building and Construction Network, coming in once again as the title sponsor.
We love the Blue Book, and thank you so much for your support.
Thanks, Robert.
Monona Plumbing and Fire Protection is back this year. This is the 5th year for them, and we want to welcome them back. They've been a great supporter of Kids Building Wisconsin.
Last but not least is Grace, and I think this is the 6th year for them as well at Kids Building Wisconsin.
So last time you asked me what was my favorite part of Kids Building Wisconsin, so now I'm going to ask you, what is your favorite part?
Well, I'd have to say just seeing the happiness of all the kids. It's such an amazing experience. If you've got children, nieces, nephews, neighbors, you need to be there.
Kids Building Wisconsin is May 16th, 2020 at McKee Farms Park in Fitchburg.
Also a big shout out to our current title sponsors, Airing Equipment, Ideal Crane Rental, and Tri-North Builders.
Don't forget the Blue Book Building and Construction Network.
Oh yes, the Blue Book Building and Construction Network, of course. More updates next month, and until then, hashtag KidsBuild20 and check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Have a great day.